teaching you Spanish phrases. Phrase number 1. Hola. Hola is how to say hi in English. Now you say hola. Good job. Word number 2. Chao. Chao is bye. Now you say Chao. Good job. Word number 3. Hasta luego. Hasta luego means see you later. Now you say it. Good job. Number 4. ¿Cómo te llamas? That means, what's your name? Now you say, ¿cómo te llamas? Excelente. That means good job. Número 5. Yo me llamo. That means my name is. Now you say, yo me llamo. Good job. Number 6. Cat. Gato. Let's say gato. Now you say gato. Good job. Meowsers. Number 7. Dog. Oh, so cute. Perro. Now you say dog. Perro. Good job. Number 8. Gracias. That means thank you. Now you say it. Good job. Thank you for watching my video.